We use a lot of gasoline. In 2020, Americans alone used about 465 billion L, 123 billion gallons, just at the gas pump. And we don't just use it for powering our cars. We add gasoline to chemicals, plastics and other synthetic materials that we use every day. And because we burn so much of it, we produce a lot of human-made carbon dioxide. We're already dealing with the extreme weather and natural disasters brought on by warming our planet. So how much worse would it get if our oceans were made of gasoline? Oceans full of gasoline might seem like an explosive disaster waiting to happen. But our oceans wouldn't all go up in flames. By itself, liquid gasoline doesn't burn. But when gasoline vapor mixes with air, it becomes a flammable gas. Every fuel needs to reach a specific temperature to give off vapor. This is called a flash point. Unfortunately, gasoline has a very low flash point. It only needs temperatures of -40 degrees Celsius, -40 degrees Fahrenheit, to produce vapor. And since the Earth's average temperature is 16 degrees Celsius, 61 degrees Fahrenheit, you'd see oceans of liquid gas that were constantly evaporating. So, although the oceans wouldn't go up in flames, their surfaces would. Beachfront properties would be looking out over a vision of hell. And as the oceans burned, there'd be an incredible surge of toxic smoke. Carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide and nitrogen oxides would fill the air. Climate change would accelerate even more. Marine life would die instantly, so say goodbye to seafood. And because oceans create half of the oxygen in the atmosphere, you'd have difficulty breathing. Instead of oxygen, you'd inhale toxic chemicals. Carbon monoxide would be especially hazardous. It would replace the oxygen in your red blood cells, causing severe tissue damage. And if you lived close to the ocean, you could